It's so cold and it's raining so hard and hail is falling, and I just wanted to show you guys because I thought it was cool. And like I've never seen hail fall before, but you see all that hail? It's like falling everywhere and it's raining really hard. It's supposed to be summer, but I love rain. I love rain. Don't get hit by the hail. He's so wet.
Teddy.
That's what we're doing right now. Yeah. Oh, lightning! I wish I would have got that on camera. It's gonna be big thunder. Ah! Look at his face. He's so scared. Shut the door. Stedman, come inside. Come inside. Okay. Reese, you have to be at the end of this video. I made a video on the hail falling and stuff. This is Reese.
Okay.